Brooklyn is freaking awesome. The location of this hotel is freaking amazing. They had Sephora down the street. They have all of these different like restaurants and stores. Oh, and if you're wondering what I got at Sephora, look, if you suffer with acne, like this is amazing. I know it's an oil and you're like, it sounds like an oxymoron. Like I'm putting oil on top of oil or oil on top of pimples. This sucker will clear up your acne. Just shower, wash your face, put it on at nighttime. And then I splurged. Yes, I did splurge. The Makeup by Mario. I've never tried his brand. I've always heard nothing but great reviews. I got his matte collection. I should have opened it up before I left the store. Make sure that it's all intact. Look at that. It has cool tones and warm tones. Yes, yes, I'm so excited. So I opened up the Makeup by Mario. You can see it's never been touched, but it's almost like it looks a little dirty. Let me show you close up. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. It's out of the packaging, but it has like, I don't know. And then I flip it over and like, it looks like dirty. Can you see that? Now, this is when I've never seen this before. Sorry, I laid you down to open it up. Are the shadows supposed to, let me put in the light. Are they supposed to be like that? Like you see how they have lumps in them? I'm trying to get close. There you go. You see that lump? Or is it right there? That lump. And this one too. See if I can get the lighting on it. Like there's two lumps right here. I don't know if the camera doesn't pick it up. Let me see. There you go. Now you can see the two lumps when I turn it that way. It's like a line right here and then two lumps over there. You can see the lumps. Right there, right there, right there. What the heck?